Now, write the letters D, I, N, and O to make this text. You can use letter sprites. So you will have letter sprites like this. Arrange the letters on top of the dinosaur's head, like this. We're going to create an animation. For the letter D, we're going to change its color and resize it. For this, arrange the blocks like this in the letter D sprite. Let's work on each part. Whenever the green flag is clicked, the first thing we do is change the font size to its original size, which is 100%. We're going to do a similar block across all the letters, so we're going to start all the letters the same size. Then, use the loop forever block to loop without stopping. We can also have another loop within the loop. Let's create another loop. Put the loop to repeat 5 times. Put this second loop inside the first loop. In the second loop, we will change the color of the letter sprites. You can use any number you want to change the color. Then, still in the second loop, we will change the font size to a larger one. Use a positive number to change the size to a larger one. After 5 loops, we will shrink the letters so that the letters can seem to pulsate. Use the third loop, and attach it under the second loop. So this third loop is also inside the first loop. Here, we will change the font color and reduce the size. For good animation, we will use the same numbers in loop 2 and loop 3. For the measure, we will use the same number in loop 3, this time using a negative sign. A negative number means we are shrinking the size. Now, if you run the application, the letter D will pulse. We will use similar coding in other letters. So we will copy the coding block from the letter D to the other letters. Still on the letter D sprite, point your mouse to the top block, then press Ctrl+C. Now, go to the letter I sprite. Paste the coding block, pressing Ctrl+V. You can use the same number, or change the numbers. Go to letter N and O. Paste the coding block by pressing Ctrl+V, and change the number up to you. So you will have block coding like this in each letter. The numbers can be the exact same, or different in each letter. It's up to you. Try using different combinations of numbers. For the letter O sprite, we're going to do a slightly different animation. Add these 2 blue blocks in the letter O, to rotate the sprite. Well, it's done. Try running your app, and you'll see dancing dinosaurs and animated names.